If you are thinking about moving to or within the state of Massachusetts and wondering about where you might want to settle down, then definitely stick around because that's what I'm about to talk about on this video. Hey there, my name is Heather with NextHome Signature Realty, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about living in Lexington, Massachusetts. So Lexington is located in Middlesex County, and it has a population of around 35,000 people. The average home price you can expect to spend in Lexington is going to be between $1 to $2 million. If you were looking to purchase in Lexington and commute into the city of Boston, by car, you're going to be looking at about a 15 miles to get into the city. By train, there is no train station in Lexington, but you could drive to one of the neighboring towns. For example, Belmont has a station that will get you into Boston in about 20 minutes. In terms of the schools, they have top-rated public school district. Within that school district, there is 1 preschool, 6 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and then 1 high school. And the bordering towns are Lincoln, Bedford, Woburn, Arlington, and Belmont. In terms of the attractions, so lots of historic landmarks because it is where the American Revolution began, so there are many museums and historic landmarks to see. Such as visiting the Lexington Battle Green, as well as you can also follow Paul Revere's footsteps to the Hancock Clark House. There's also the Minuteman National Historical Park, where you can go there and you can explore the Battle Road Trail, which is really cool. So definitely lots of history, lots of historical things to do there. In terms of restaurants, on my list I have the Town Meeting Bistro, which is in a beautiful historical house. They've got really great food, great service, and also a really great kids menu. Second on my list would be Fiorella's Trattoria, so they have really great pizza and just overall really great Italian food. And then the next on my list is the Hangar, I believe it's called, just the Hangar. So it's a great spot for breakfast. They also have a breakfast pizza, which I highly recommend. That's a must try for that. That's going to do it for my list. If you happen to live in the area and have any other recommendations, please feel free to put it in the comments below. I love learning more about these towns as I make these videos. And I will also include my buyer and relocation guide in the comments below. So if you are interested in that, just click on the link and I will send it to your email. That is going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day.